Hello, I'm Fran Rose. I have a background in beading, and I also look after a group called Beading Links who run in Lincolnshire, and we do a lot of projects. 5 times a year we meet, and this is a project which we did recently on beaded buttons. This is what it will look like when you've got 3 parts round, almost to the end, and you've got one little space. Now you have to do a little bit of rule by eye and make sure that you have enough space for the bead to sit neatly in it. This is a pottery bead with a little picture in it. If you want to take it further and go into more mixed media work, I did a machined background for this one. Same principle on the back, and did a bit of beading on it, and then added a little tassel because I thought it looked a bit like a hot air balloon. This is my Montgolfier.